Achieving a loud mix that retains the quality of your sound can be a challenge. Here are the top 5 tips with specific settings to help you get a good loud mix. Gain staging. Proper gain staging is the first step towards a loud and clear mix. It involves setting the right level of gain for each track to prevent clipping and distortion. Aim for each track to peak around -18 dBVU. This provides enough headroom for the mixing process and ensures that no single track dominates the mix. Use of compression. Compression is a tool that helps control the dynamics of your mix. It reduces the dynamic range, making the quieter parts louder and the louder parts quieter. A good starting point is a 4:1 ratio, with an attack time of 10 milliseconds and a release time of 50 milliseconds. Adjust these settings as needed for your mix. Avoid overcompression to prevent a loss of dynamic range. Equalization, EQ. EQ allows you to balance the frequency content of your mix. Cutting frequencies can often be more effective than boosting. Try cutting around 200 to 500 Hz to remove muddiness, and consider a slight boost at 5 kHz for clarity and presence. Use a narrow Q for cuts and a wide Q for boosts. Limiting. A limiter prevents the signal from exceeding a certain level. It allows you to increase the overall level of your mix without clipping. Set the ceiling of your limiter to -0.1 decibels to prevent digital clipping. Adjust the threshold until you're achieving around 3 to 6 decibels of gain reduction on the loudest parts of your mix. Use of stereo width. A wider mix can give the perception of loudness. Panning elements in your mix can create a sense of space and depth. Try panning rhythm guitars or backing vocals 30 to 70% to the left or right. Keep low-frequency elements like kick and bass in the center. The goal is not to make your mix as loud as possible, but to achieve a balance where it sounds loud, clear, and dynamic. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.